Take a look at this channel. It started just 2 weeks ago, and it already has 78,000 subscribers. This video was uploaded just 3 days ago, and it has already crossed 31 million views. And 31 million views is more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized, which likely means he's earning around $8,000 to $10,000 per month. But here's the real surprise. All of these videos are AI generated and completely free. That just shows how powerful AI has become in content creation today. Now, first, take a look at this video. I created it completely for free using AI. So, to create this kind of cinematic construction video, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Now, before we start generating anything, let me explain something very important. The quality of your final video completely depends on the quality of your prompt. If your prompt is basic, your output will also look basic. But if your prompt is structured and detailed, your results will look professional. That's why I've already prepared a master prompt. I'll open Google Docs, where I've saved this master prompt. This prompt includes everything related to our construction videos. Cinematic instructions, structural accuracy, step-by-step progression, realistic materials, worker activity, machinery usage, and visual continuity. I'll copy the entire master prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, simply press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 high-quality construction video ideas for you. Now here's the good part. If you don't like those ideas, or if you want more variety, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas. It will instantly give you additional options. But for me, these ideas are more than enough. Now, carefully review the ideas. Don't rush this step. Choose something that feels visually strong and has good cinematic potential. For example, I really like this one, so I'll copy it and paste it back into ChatGPT. Once I press enter, ChatGPT will generate the complete structured video plan, including detailed image prompts for each scene, video prompts for motion generation, and clear step-by-step construction progression. This saves hours of manual planning. Now that we have everything ready inside ChatGPT, let's move to the next step. Open a new browser tab and type Flow. Click on the official Flow website. Then click on Create with Flow and sign in to your account. After signing in, you'll see an interface like this. Here, all you need to do is click on New Project. After creating project, you'll enter the main Flow workspace. This is where all our image and video generation will happen. Now look at the prompt box at the bottom. Above it, you'll see an option that says Text to Video. Click on it and change it to Create Image. Before generating anything, click on the settings icon. This step is extremely important. Change the mode from landscape to portrait. If you forget this step, your output will be in landscape format, which is ideal for long-form YouTube videos. But we are creating short-style vertical cinematic content, so portrait mode is mandatory. Also confirm that Nano Banana is selected as the image model. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the Scene 1 image prompt. Paste it into Flow and press enter. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds to generate. Now our images are generated. You'll notice that Flow usually generates 2 versions. Both will look realistic, but always check small details: lighting direction, material texture, worker placement, and camera framing. If something looks slightly off, adjust the prompt and regenerate. But this one looks perfect to me. I prefer the second version more, so I'll download it. Now we move to Scene 2. Copy the Scene 2 image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow. But before clicking generate, this is the most important consistency step. Click on the plus icon and upload the Scene 1 image as a reference. If you skip this, the AI might change the environment, lighting, building proportions, or even surroundings. That breaks cinematic continuity. Always use the previous scene as a reference. Now click generate. It will again take around 20 seconds. You'll see that the structure evolves naturally while maintaining the same environment and perspective. Repeat this exact process for Scene 3 and all remaining scenes. Copy prompt, paste it, add previous image as reference, generate. This workflow guarantees structure structural continuity and realism. Once all scenes are generated, download every image carefully. Double check that the building proportions are consistent, the lighting direction matches, the background environment remains the same, workers and machinery feel natural. Now we move to video generation. Switch the mode from create image to frame to video. Again, go into settings and confirm portrait mode is selected. Now for generating our video, you will see 2 frame slots. In the first frame, upload the scene 1 image. In the second frame, upload the scene 2 image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the scene 1 video prompt, paste it into Flow, and click generate. This process takes around 30 to 40 seconds. Once the video is ready, review it carefully. Focus on motion smoothness, natural worker movement, realistic machinery activity. No sudden camera jumps. The transition between scene 1 and scene 2 should feel gradual and cinematic. Now repeat the same process. To generate the second video, add the scene 2 image in the first frame and the scene 3 image in the end frame. Then copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT and simply hit generate. Continue this for all scenes. If you notice slight inconsistencies in motion, you can slightly refine the video prompt to guide smoother transitions. After generating all clips, download them one by one. Now your full cinematic sequence is ready. Next, we need music. For music, open a new tab and search for Suno AI. Click on the official website and sign in. After signing in, click on Create. You'll see a prompt box where we need to enter a music prompt. If you don't have a music prompt ready, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate cinematic construction background music prompts. ChatGPT will instantly provide multiple options. Choose the one that matches your video mood, whether it's inspirational, dramatic, futuristic, or industrial. Copy the prompt and paste it into Suno. Click Create. Suno will generate 4 tracks. On the free plan, you can download 2 tracks. Listen carefully to both. Pay attention to build-up intensity, drop timing, emotional tone, instrument texture. Choose the track that complements your construction visuals. For example, I like the second one more, so I just simply download it. Now open your editing software. I personally use Adobe Premiere Pro. Import all the generated video clips, then import the music track. Place the music first on the timeline. Now arrange your clips according to the beat. Trim slightly if needed. Try to align major construction progress moments with musical buildups. This small step dramatically increases cinematic impact. Once everything is aligned, review the entire video. Perfect. The video looks clean. Realistic construction progress, natural worker movement, and perfectly synced cinematic music. And that's it. Your cinematic construction video is ready. From just a simple prompt to a fully structured, realistic build, all powered by AI. If you follow the workflow step by step, maintain consistency, and sync everything properly with music, your results will look absolutely professional. Now it's your turn. Try this method. Experiment with different construction styles and push your creativity even further. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.